Hello friends, today's topic Intensified Israel War. What is the story of stock markets? I am Dr. Bharath. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Today morning, the Israeli military launched airstrikes in Lebanon after detecting preparation for large-scale attacks by the Iran-based militant group Hezbollah. Hezbollah launched hundreds of missiles against Israel today morning in retaliation for the assassination of a senior commander in Beirut last month. In July, there were attempts of Israeli-occupied Golan Heights. This was suspected to be done by the Hezbollah. However, Hezbollah denied responsibility for the attacks. But as a retaliation, Israeli military assassinated a senior Hezbollah commander, Fouad Shukur, in Beirut. After Fouad Shukur's death, Hamas political leader Ismail Haniyeh was assassinated in Tehran. This led to Iran announcing that they will take revenge on Israel for the assassinations. Since these attacks happened on Sunday, we don't know how global stock markets react to it on tomorrow. US markets rallied by more than 1% on Friday due to the US Federal Reserve Chairman hinting at interest rate cut in September during its next meeting. So it is expected that Asian markets and Indian markets will rally on Monday morning. However, now it may not be as straightforward due to the geopolitical tensions in the Middle East region. Let us hope that the market don't react negatively to this news, since apart from this, there is generally positive news with respect to US economy and global stock markets. As of now, Israel has declared a 48-hour nationwide emergency starting from today morning. Both sides have been launching missiles at specific regions, and it is not clear whether it will lead to a more serious situation. The United States has reiterated its unwavering commitment to Israel's defense. It is said the US administration is constantly monitoring the situation and is in regular touch with the Israeli authorities. In October 2023, when the first attack started between Hamas and Israel, Indian markets along with global markets had fallen around 5%. However, it soon recovered and rallied to new highs. Unless it is a major attack, the markets may not react as much as the last time. This is how markets behave. It does not usually fall as much as the first time for the same reason. The first wave of COVID, market had fallen very heavily. However, when subsequent waves of COVID came, the market reaction was limited. Here is an announcement. ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ಗಳಿಂದಲೂ ಕೋಟಿಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಸಂಪಾದಿಸಬಹುದೇ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. YouTube Live for all channel members this Tuesday, August 27, night at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Institute, Kannada channel. Let us see how this conflict progresses in the coming days. We have to see if there is any immediate negative reaction to the global markets to Sunday attacks from both sides. End of the video, here is the question. Do you think there will be a fall of 5% in the coming days in Indian markets due to this conflict in Middle East? You may type yes or no. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.